What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror Android to laptop. So let's get right into it. Go to Start Settings and type in Optional Features in the search bar and press on View Features. On this search bar, type in Wireless Display, check on the box and click Install. Once it's done installing, you'll be able to see the Wireless Display app install. Now go back to the search bar and type in Projecting and select Projection Settings. Here you are going to see some settings that are okay if you leave them how they are. Unless you want to change them, I usually leave them how they are. At the bottom, you are going to see your PC name that will appear on your Android once you are ready. Once you're ready, click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC option, and there it is. You are ready to mirror your Android to your laptop. Now, on your Android, go to the Smart View option and turn it on and press Start Now to start casting. As you can see, my Android is starting to connect to my laptop. And that's it, guys, how to mirror Android to laptop. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.